Retire smart even without a golden parachute. Simplify single life after 60. Even on Social Security, let's look at some of the challenges single women face when retiring. Then look at a simple strategy and tools to manage money, meals, home, and health to reduce stress and feel in control so you can retire solo and strong. Starting your retirement journey. The challenge. Retiring solo on limited income brings more questions than answers. For example, bills, stress, and the lack of structure can be exhausting. In addition, housing and healthcare challenges can seem overwhelming. The solution. A calm, clear strategy, system, and tools to help you take control. Wouldn't it be great if there was a safe vehicle for single women to navigate life after 60? How I faced the challenges. I didn't plan to retire at 63, but life had other plans. I lost my job, my housing, and the future I had counted on. No fallback, no savings, just fear and overwhelm. What saved me was structure. I was self-employed most of my life. I had created the kayak business model then to navigate running my own businesses, internationally and online. A kayak is lightweight, solo-powered, and resilient. Strategically built to sail through rough water. It can right itself quickly if it takes a hit. It provides the structure to manage all the loose ends. I created a Retire Smart Starter Kit with the same mindset, small steps, real systems, and a way forward. Imagine waking up with financial clarity, where your money is going. Health management, that your meds, appointments, and contacts are tracked. Grocery and meal confidence. What you're eating this week, how to afford it and make it stretch. Simplified living. Your living space is simplified and manageable. This is retirement organized, uncomplicated, and on your terms. Anchoring your kayak. You need to know where you are. Take a clear, honest look at your current situation, income, expenses, and goals, and housing. Chart the information and keep it in one place. In the Retire Smart Starter Kit, you'll find detailed worksheets, trackers and planners to navigate your way forward when you know where you are. Get your free beginning anchor worksheet to work out your Retire Smart starting point. Click here for your free download. Packing your paddles, the tools to navigate everyday life. A well-packed kayak is safe and manageable. This means having the right information, tools, food, and supplies. Tools to navigate this new adventure include a visioning tool to plot the course to where you want to be. Priority planners to tame the chaos and move forward confidently. Downsizing planners to help lighten the load to fit into your new reality. Tracking tools to manage money, healthcare, and lifestyle. Recording tools to keep your information organized and in one place. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Budget-friendly meal planning is one area that can save money and ensure a healthy diet. The Retire Smart Starter Kit has meal planners and grocery systems to help you save money every single week, turning a stressful task into a simple one. Secrets to budget-friendly meal planning. Shop your pantry first. Take inventory and use what you have first. Cook once, eat twice. Cook larger portions of a protein or grain that can be used in different ways throughout the week. Focus on staples, grains, beans, and root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and onions. Manage your freezer. Buy bulk frozen vegetables, store extra portions of cooked foods, and buy meat on sale and freeze. The Magic 5 Pantry Staples. Frozen vegetables, canned meats, a collection of favorite herbs and spices, pasta, dried potato flakes, and rice, vinegars and sauces. Choosing your waterway. Addressing the bigger picture decisions. Housing is the most important waterway you'll be traveling on. Choose one that is calm and safe, not turbulent. Make smart choices about where to live to minimize stress and maximize your budget. Would you like a guide to help you start retirement smart? Introducing the Retire Smart Starter Kit, your ultimate companion for a fulfilling life after 60. This kit includes 5 essential guides to streamline your golden years. 1. Monthly Life and Money Planner. Ensure your plans and goals are on track. 2. Smart Meal Planner and Grocery List. Simplify meals and slash grocery costs. 3. Space Simplifier Manual. Gently downsize and declutter room by room. 4. Personal Health Tracker. Monitor your health and manage healthcare easily. 5. Mini Guide. 20 Smart Moves to Simplify Life After 60. Plan ahead and gain insights. Transform your retirement into the vibrant chapter you deserve without the fear or stress. Print-friendly and fillable digitally, your choice. Now just $24.99. Scan here to get yours.